Good morning, everybody. You might have heard about the virus called the corona outbreak from China to the rest of the world, and the mask is becoming a must for everybody now to protect himself from this virus. Actually, the price of the such mask is becoming very expensive to buy it, and sometimes some people, poor people, cannot buy such mask because you have to get rid of this mask after you use it and get another one, and the prices now are rocketing. Therefore, I will show you how can you make this mask with cheap material, inexpensive, and the material is found in every house, and you will not buy it from anywhere after you see this video. Now let us see how can we make it ourselves